Ooh, look at that Tyler focus face. Focus face. We're outside of U-Haul right now. I'm getting the U-Haul picked up. We're gonna load up a bunch of Grandpa's stuff. We're gonna go to a wedding. By the way, it's my cousin's wedding. I don't think I said that in the prior vlog. Everybody's been asking what wedding it is. So it's my cousin Kelsey's wedding. That's what we got going on today. Get ready. Ooh, we're in the U-Haul now. Check out this rig. Give my van some competition. I think I'm still siding with the van though. U-Haul can't hold a candle to me. Alright, so as Mom said the other day, only bringing out the camera when there's food involved. What we got going on? We got some bacon.
We got eggs, we're gonna have mushrooms.
Eggs, mushroom.
Yeah, I think you might want a little bit more than eggs. So
Sounds good.
here's a little saute in butter.
Nice. Let's do it.
This is Robert giving Tyler direction on how to screw a door back in.
Wait a minute, he unscrewed the door when he could have just pulled hinges, and I'm the one that needs direction here? I think not.
Set it straight,
You
Tyler.
know.
Set this record straight.
You know what I mean. I guarantee you he's not going to edit that into the video. But just for future reference, Robert, when you're looking back on this, remember this moment. Dumbass.
Oh, Tyler.
You got Keto Savage asleep on the job.
Alright, y'all, we've been loading up everything. We got everything loaded up. Everything's in the U-Haul. I'm all showered up. Jumping into the car. We got Mom over there. We're headed to Starbucks, work on some clients. See if we can get this day underway. Just finished up at Starbucks. Mom wanted a selfie.
I like Dad in here too.
Yeah, get in here, Dad.
Oh.
We'll do a selfie. I can scream.
Wait a minute.
Shot this. Alright, that's good. So Corey's about to lose his sister.
The only Anderson left.
He's the only Anderson left after today.
That's right.
Kelsey Anderson is going to be marrying
Jake Meyer.
Jake Meyer. And then it's just going to be Corey Anderson.
Just me.
What are you going to do with the name?
Frame it somewhere. Make sure it doesn't die.
There you go. I like it. I like it. Jake a good guy?
Oh yeah. Oh
Okay.
yeah. Best.
We have it on camera.
Just wait till you see his groom's cake. Then
There
you'll
you
know.
go.
Then
There
you'll
you
know.
go.
Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Make every effort to keep the...
Jake, you may now kiss your bride.
Alright, Kelsey Anderson is now Kelsey Myers. It's done. Lights out. Alright, y'all, the wedding is done. Going to the car to get me a keto brick.